Hello and welcome back to Robotics with Om sir. In today's video, we will see how to connect mBot2 with the laptop using Bluetooth. So let's start by opening your browser, because for Bluetooth connection you will need the online version of your mBlock 5 ID and search for mBlock, and you will get this URL id.mblock.cc. So open this URL. You can directly type this URL in your address bar. So this online version will take some time to load the components. Now here we have two options. One is using Bluetooth and one is using serial. So serial means using USB cable. So to connect using Bluetooth, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on here, and after click on Bluetooth. So here it will show the Bluetooth of your mBot2. It means your cyberpi. So it is detecting the Bluetooth of your cyberpi. You have to connect on you have to click on that Bluetooth name and click on pair. So now it is connected to your Bluetooth. So in this way you can connect your mBot2 using the Bluetooth. So why Bluetooth mode is useful than the USB mode? See, sometimes you may have to test your mBot2 on the floor for the colors, for the ultrasonic sensors. So it is very hectic to connect it again using USB cable, to connect, disconnect using the cable. So this is very useful. In that case, you must connect your mBot2 using Bluetooth mode. So now see second mode. I will disconnect this Bluetooth connection and then click on serial. So now here you have to connect your mBot2 using the USB cable to the laptop. So firstly connect USB cable. So now I have connected my mBot2 using USB cable. So here I can see USB serial COM4 port. So this COM4 is the port. So connect it. So sorry, click on it and click on connect. So now this is very quick connection. So it is connected to my mBot2. Now I can start writing my coding here. So I can write the code, and if I have to upload, I'll go to upload mode and I can upload my code. And so live mode will also work in both the cases. I mean using Bluetooth connection and using USB connection also. So that's all for this video. So in this video we have learnt about how to connect the mBot2 with the laptop using Bluetooth. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.